Do you want some? Check out the pistachios in there. Super nice. Okay, so that's going to go on my pizza. I'm going to put it on before the cook because I want it to crunch up a little bit. There's my mozzarella, buffalo mozzarella cheese. There's my tomato sauce. And there's my dough. Let's make it. Do you know at this stage whether your pizza is going to be a good or a bad cook in the oven? I made a dough the other day. I don't know if I've put it up on video yet. I knew straight away when I was stretching it out that dough was not going to cook well. Let me know in the comments below if you feel the same when you're handling your dough, whether you know it's going to be a good one or a bad one. Ready for the cook. I think even though the top of the stone is showing 300 and 400, I actually think it's hotter than that because I've absolutely let the stone heat up really high. So I'm not actually gonna worry about the heat of the stone for this cook, but I am gonna turn the flame down because it's cooking very fast and cooking my crust really fast as well recently. So I'm going to put it down to probably below medium actually, and then turn it up if I need to. There's the maximum, excuse the flowery hands. There's the maximum. It's really difficult to see, to be honest, and that's like minimum, and it just stops. So the minimum is there. It's not the best design dial, so I'm going to put it to half. I'm going to go there for my cook. Yeah, I might even go less than that. Let me think about it. I might go there and see how it goes. It's a pretty low flame, but that's where I want it to be. And I'm just going to wiggle my pizza, make sure it's okay to go in. So let's do it. I've kept it right up to the top because I think my stone's a bit hot. I don't want it to burn at the back. Yeah. You can see how fast it's cooking on just medium. Just trying to get underneath it. Keeping it super close to the end of this stone on purpose. Let's put that bit there. And I think we're done. Yeah. Transfer it over. Very spotty, So this is my frozen dough, and I can't remember, but I think the last batch I made with it was super spotty as well. There you are, all dressed up. Let's check this out. I've never tried this ham with pistachio before, so I can't wait to see what flavours are in it. I got it from Aldi. No, I got it from Lidl, actually. Yeah, so on the Lidl shelf. I am so glad I cooked on medium. If I'd gone to 3/4 or anywhere near full, that would have just burnt. Base. Right, let's give this a try. Mmm. Look at that. It's got like coal in it. Bubble. Whoa. See, there's a piece of the pistachio just there. This ham is delicious. I'm glad I didn't put the pizza closer to the back of the stone. It was pretty hot, and I know that it would have just made it really dark golden if I had, or maybe possibly burnt the rim at the back very quickly. So there's room in the Koda 12 to maneuver your pizza, because you can just pull it closer to the front, and that's no problem at all. And all you then do is, if you feel that your crust isn't cooking fast enough, just put the flame up. But it has got a really good stone, so if you have cooked pizza before and the heat has penetrated your stone, then you got to be quite careful. But I do think the Koda 16 is easier to cook with, personally, but I still love cooking with the Koda 12. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to support the channel. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.